Hi friends, this is the live stream from KPRView on October 8th, 2021, and the Nifty has opened positively, and it may trade in a positive direction. But today is important news from the RBI. It may affect the traders' mindset, and be careful while taking the intraday positions. The volatility expected after RBI governor's speech, and anyway, just the technical aspects need to be followed. Always we have to depend upon technical aspects. Here the screen, what I'm finding it is Bajaj Finance. Okay, this is the one stock you can find some volatility due to the decision taken by the RBI governors. Sometimes it is going to give some volatility in the market or some upward direction or downward direction. That is the reason I have taken this stock for analysis. Here the daily, as far as daily chart is concerned, you are finding a good support has been taken at 17717, that is a 7720 level, and there onwards it is showing simple upward direction towards the 7775. Once that level is taken out, the maximum level what we can find is 7825. If that level is taken out, then only can find up to 7885. But be careful while doing the trade or while taking the intraday calls. Positionally, no problem until unless the support has been taken at this level 7717 or 7673, and upside we can find up to 7885, then 7999. Okay, intraday levels, these are the intraday levels, but it is not completely in the positive direction, it is sideways market. Okay, be careful while taking the positions in Bajaj Finance. And I'm going for the NSE spot, Nifty spot. When I go for the Nifty spot, just it has opened at a higher level, okay, nearly 17,890 zone. Actually, it has opened at resistance zone, okay, 17,886. Actually, 17,888 is the resistance. Okay, just it has opened below the resistance level 17,886 level, then it has moved up to 17,891, and there it has faced a little bit of selling. There may be a chance of taking the support at 17,840 zone, 840 to 845. That is a good support zone for the intraday. If everything is good, if the market goes in positive direction, then there is a good chance of reaching the level 17,947 level. Okay, there is a good chance to reach that level, which was the previous high, and be careful at that level. If that level is taken out and trading above that level for some time, then we can expect higher side. But it totally depends upon how the market is going to react for the speech of the RBI governor. Wait up to that moment. And weekly, no problem, just weekly it is showing upside only, and there is a good chance of reaching 17,917 or 17,947 as usual. And if that level is taken out, then only we can expect upside in the next week. And the next one is monthly also. In monthly also it is showing the same thing, just the good resistance 17,947. If that level is taken out, then we can expect up to 18,340 zone. There is a good zone where we can consider our long positions and everything. And Nifty Bank, when you go for Nifty Bank, in the Nifty Bank also, daily chart, in the daily chart simply it has opened and the daily resistance level 37,920. There onwards it has shown downward movement up to 37,800 level. The low it was 37,795. If it is opened around 37,820 zone, we can say there is going to be upward momentum in the market. But today's market is sideways market for this moment. Let us wait for some time, and there is a good chance of reaching 38,106 if all is good. Otherwise, good support at 37,680 zone or 37,565 zone. This is a zone where we can find good support, but I am expecting market to be up, and it is waiting for the news to come. Let us be careful in the bank nifty, because RBI governor speech always going to give some impact on bank nifty, and this is a good level to go for the short. If at all you are going for the intraday short, already it has been completed. At this moment entering into the shorts may give up to 37,700, only 100 points from here onwards. It is a bank nifty spot actually. Okay, there is no more downside. All indicators are showing up only. Of course, the intraday volatility is so common. Okay, be careful with the volatility in intraday. And weekly also it is showing a little bit of upside. There is a good chance of reaching up to 38,241. After touching the 38,241, we can decide ourselves what will be the next level. And there is a good chance if it is taken out, then we can expect positional longs further. Monthly also it is a crucial resistance zone. Be careful at this zone. 38,377 is the strict resistance. It has faced it, and if that level is taken out, then we can expect up to 39,000 monthly basis, 39,200 level base. Still it is in positive zone, uptrend only, no problem for the longs. But do trading by having the enough capital in hand, and intraday positions must be taken by having the proper analysis. And simply it is a daily, weekly and monthly view for this moment. Hourly also we can bank nifty hourly. I am taking the chart, hourly chart of the bank nifty. In the last trading session, the last 30 minutes I have given the live streaming. There I said there is a good support at 37,750 zone. Already it has taken the support at 37,750 zone. Then it went up to 37,921. The too many times it has faced the resistance at 37,920 zone. If this zone is taken out, then only we can expect further upside. It is a sideways, still it is a sideways, is not the downtrend or uptrend. It is a sideways, hourly sideways we are finding it. And there is a good chance of taking the support again at 37,750 or 37,730 to 37,655. But once the green candle above this level or opening above this level may lead for the upside, but still all short-term moving averages are showing upside only. In hourly also there is no proper downside. It is sideways market until the event is completed. And individual stocks, SRF, we can take the analysis of SRF. Okay, the SRF you can find daily chart. In the daily chart, it is a strict resistance. It is facing the resistance at 11,690 zone. If this zone is taken out, then good upside you can expect in this stock. There is a good chance to reach there is a good chance to reach the level of simple 11,800 zone, or sometimes 900 zone also. It totally depends upon the momentum. Still it is not in the momentum. Okay, once this level is taken out at any moment of time, there is a good upside in this stock. Okay, and weekly also it is showing up, and monthly also it is showing up. There is no problem for the long calls. Okay, in case of monthly, there is a monthly chart. We can find it in the monthly chart. It is showing good upside, and took the good support at 11,500, 534, 500 zone, and already it has reached 11,000. Sorry, it is a 10,973 zone. It has taken the good support and reached up to 11,689, 900, 690 zone. Then there is a good chance of moving up. If everything is good, I'm expecting the levels up to 11,900 to 12,500 zone. That is a good zone where you can consider your long positions. Exiting from the long position or maintaining long positions is up to you. And in the last trading session, we have gone for the TCS also. Okay, when you go for the TCS, it is showing a good upside. Already I mentioned it in the last trading session. In the last hour of the last trading session, I talk about TCS. It is in good upside. There is a good chance of reaching the level. This is the level 3951. Almost it has reached up to 3939 level. Okay, there is a good chance of reaching 3981. If that level is taken out, then there is a good chance of going for the 4200 zone. Okay, you can maintain your long positions, no problem at all, but the stop loss must be maintained. Always it is better to maintain the stop loss if at all you are not so confident. And you have to take the positions not only for intraday, at least for the 2 to 5 days duration. In the equity market, we have to wait for 3 to 5 days duration to get our levels to reach. Because sometimes we are going to reach the levels immediately. Sometimes it may take 2 to 5 days, 5 trading sessions to reach our goal. Yesterday I have given the call in TCS, and already the short video has been maintained in my channel. You can open that video and we can verify it, the levels I have given. And today also it is showing good upside. There is a good chance of reaching 3981 level. Be careful if volatility, due to the volatility, there may be a chance of getting the price movement up and down. Better you have to be careful. And weekly also I have given the levels. Already weekly levels have been reached and crossed also. 3921, that is a weekly level we expected, and once that level has been taken out, there is a good chance of reaching the level 3942, 3950 level, then 3981. There is a good chance you can maintain long positions in TCS. And monthly also, the crucial resistance zone is at 3981. Be careful at that level, and fresh longs are not recommended at this moment. Only thing is, if already you are on the long, then you can maintain your long positions, no problem at all. And look at the NSE Banknifty spot. Okay, when you go with the Banknifty spot here, in the Banknifty spot you are finding hourly support. Already I mentioned it. There is a good chance of taking the support here, 747 zone, 750 zone. Already it has reached that zone and took some support, and it is moving up, but it is volatility is going to be more. It is sideways market. Okay, when you look at this portion, this is going to be upside. This is completely upside from here to here. It is completely upside. But if you look at this situation, almost it is in the range bound, completely in the range bound. The range is in between 37,732, 37,921. That is a range bound session going on. Almost the time has come to take the event. Anyway, just you can be careful while taking the trades in Banknifty spot. The option sellers are buyers. Okay, buyers has to think about the trend. Option sellers has to think about range bound market. Option sellers are so safe when they go for the range bound market. Option buyers are so safe when they are going for trending market. Okay, once it is in the trend, you can maintain the positions for too many sessions and you can get good profits. Buyers are always benefited. They benefited due to the trending market. But option sellers are not at all benefited due to the trending market. They are benefited due to the range bound market. Okay, anyway, just it is a Nifty bank spot. Okay, hourly, it took the support at this level 37,750 level. Okay, good. You can maintain long positions by keeping the stop loss at 37,655. That is the stop loss for the bank Nifty calls. Once it is crossing the 37,921, there is a good chance of reaching up to 38,105 hourly basis, and a daily basis also the same thing we can predict. Then okay, we are going for Nifty spot. When you look at the Nifty spot, see, already I mentioned there is a good chance of taking a support at 17,840 zone. It has made the low of 17,848. 850 level, it took the support. There is a good chance of reaching upside target of the 17,947. If that level is taken out, then you can consider the positional longs. The option buying can be done once it breaks the level 17,947. If something is good in the market, if the movement is started in the market, then we can go for the option buying. We can take the buying the options once the level breaking price level break happens. Look at the Nifty. It has crossed the level 17,892. Okay, there is a good chance of hitting the target of 17,947. Be careful at this level. If you go for the fresh long positions, the stop loss will be at 17,758 level, the big stop loss. Okay, better you you can take the positions carefully and wait up to the level to be crossed, 17,947 level to be crossed. In the morning also I posted one video based on SGX Nifty. There you can find okay, once the 17,900 zone has been crossed, there is a good chance of reaching up to 17,947, which was the previous high. Wait up to the previous high to be taken out. Okay, once that level has been taken out, there is a good chance to reach up to 17,947. Already the important script decides the Nifty move, Reliance started to picking up. You can observe Reliance stock, Reliance Industries. Look at the results industries. In the Reliance, it has taken the support at 2,565 level. That is a good support zone for the Reliance for intraday basis. Okay, there is a good chance of reaching up to 2619 or 2620 level. Once that level has been taken out, then we can expect some more upside. It is an uptrend only. Reliance is an uptrend, and there is a good chance to reach up to 2640, 2630 zone. See, our prediction is working good and working fine. It is reaching up to 2619 zone, and be careful at this level. If at all you are having the long positions, maintain your long positions. Otherwise, wait for some time to take the long positions. So the target has been hit in Reliance 2619. See here the resistance is 2619. Once that is crossing, okay, once that level is taken out, it is facing the resistance at 2619. If that level is taken out, then we can expect good upside up to 2630, 2640 zone. The see how it is reacting at resistance zone. I said 2619 is the good resistance zone. After hitting the 2619, little bit of profit taking, but we are not calling it as a profit booking. But generally at resistance zone, a little bit of action we can find it. But today, if it is taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching up to 2636. So you can observe the Nifty. It is showing upside when the Reliance is moving. Certainly, we can call it as just the impact of the Reliance on Nifty is always going to be there. If the Reliance is good, we can call the Nifty is also good. That is a one stock which can give major impact on Nifty movement. Not completely, but you can observe this. See the Nifty spot now. Just we are going for the Nifty spot. So it is taking the good support at 17,850, 840 zone and reached up to 17,900, 905 zone, and it is facing the resistance at this zone. Already I mentioned it. There is a chance of facing the resistance at this zone. If it is comfortable above this zone, then only you can expect up to 17,947 zone. Hourly you can find it. Look at the hourly chart. In the hourly chart you can find good support at 17,835. Already it has taken the good support at 17,850, and it is moving up towards 17,947. But I am not asking you to take positions at this moment. Once there is a event which can give impact on market, wait for some time to take positions. Look at the Bajaj Finance. When you look at the Bajaj Finance, okay, generally it will give some moment when the policy is announced. Okay, so already it is near to the support zone 7702. It has taken the support at 7720 or 7716. Nifty spot again I am taking. Look at the Nifty spot. Because here it is in between 17,850 to 17,905. Now Reliance is trading at 2609 2610 level, and it is showing some impact on Nifty also. And see the Nifty, the daily view of Nifty, because here it is trading in the range of 17,000 a problem with the voice. That is the reason I'm adjusting it. You can see the budget finance. Already I mentioned that before RBI policy or after RBI policy, there will be good movement in budget finance. You can find the budget finance from the beginning of this from the beginning. I said simply the stock to be taken is budget finance. Look at the budget finance. It took the support at 7720 level, and it has crossed the first resistance at 7784. There is a good chance of reaching up to 7843 zone. You can maintain your long positions by keeping the stop loss at 7700, around 7700 to 7676. That is a stop loss zone, and you can maintain long positions up to 7843. If that level is taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching up to 7885. Okay, there the two times we face the resistance. The third time, if that is taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching 80,000, 8,000 level. The Nifty also just it is facing resistance at 17,900 zone, but there is a good chance of reaching up to 17,940 level. And Banknifty just already it has crossed the level of 37,920, and it is trading at 37,950. Just look at the Banknifty spot. Okay, so yes, it has crossed the intraday resistance of 37,943. It is trading around that resistance zone, and the next resistance will be at 38,106. If it is taking the upside, then there is a resistance at 38,106. It is trading above the important support zone 37,700 zone. There is a good chance to go up, but it totally depends upon how. Okay, then Bandhan Bank. Let us take the Bandhan Bank. How the Bandhan Bank is reacting, and look at the Bandhan Bank. It is showing good upside from the last 6 days. Almost is an uptrend, and at this moment taking the position is not at all good. But anyway, just you can observe it. There is a good chance of reaching up to 354. If the momentum is continued, there is a good chance of reaching up to 354 zone, 354, 355 zone. Okay, monthly you can observe it. There is a good resistance at 343, 354 zone. Okay, the momentum, it is a momentum call only, but not positional. Okay, from the last 6 days, it is an uptrend only. Okay, that is the reason. Be careful at this level, 343 to 354 zone. That is a good zone to consider your long positions. It is not for taking the long positions. It is considering for the simple your existing long positions. See, Hennessy Bank. Already I said there is a good resistance at 37,940 zone. intraday resistance, but it is not for taking the short positions. Okay, if I say resistance, be careful at that level. If at all you are already in long side. You see the hourly, it took the support at 37,756 zone, and four times it has taken the support at this level, and there is a chance of taking this as a base for this moment for intraday. If that this level is taken out, then you can find downside, otherwise there is no downside at this moment, but simple resistance at 940 zone. See our stock call, previously I have given SRF limited, and at the beginning of this live stream also I mentioned about the SRS limited. See the performance of SRS limited irrespective of what policy RBI is taking. Simply our technical levels are working good, and look at this SRF stock. There you can find the level, already we have reached the level up to 11,840. And expect up to 11,971 today itself. If everything is good, everything is going good, and there is a good chance of reaching up to 11,947. That is a good zone where you can consider your intraday positions. And positional, no problem, you can reach up to 12,000, maybe more than that also. It is going to be 12,500 also if it is positional monthly call. But intraday it is showing good performance. Look at this. Okay, today I mentioned about Bajaj Finance. It is doing good, and SRF, I talk about SRF. It is doing good, and TCS, it is also doing good. Um, at the beginning of the stream, I have taken the calls for the SRF, TCS, and Bajaj Finance. Already I mentioned that the policy or the speech of the RBI governor certainly will give the impact on Bajaj Finance movement. It is given a good up movement, no problem for that. Okay, you can maintain your SRF up to 11,960 level. That is a good level where you can consider your intraday positions. Once the target is reaching, be careful to book your profits, partial profits. And even though we are saying monthly up to 12,500, okay, initially you try to book your profits if at all you got a good level to book your profits, and within the hour itself it has given good moment from 11,636 to 11,878. See how our technical calls are working, and we are providing all these calls free of cost. We are not going to charge any amount. Utilize these calls, it may be useful to you to do trading. The still upside is there in the SRF. Just you can find the level 11,960 zone. That is the zone to be reached, and be careful at that level, intraday levels. And we are looking into the Bajaj Finance now. Just as the Bajaj Finance today's the pick, but it is sideways. Actually, Bajaj Finance is sideways. There is a good chance of reaching up to 78 to 51 zone, 50. And Bajaj Finserv also, we can take the Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Twins. When I go for Bajaj Finserv, see it is not showing good movement. Okay, it hourly it is showing it took the support at 17,431 is Bajaj Finserv, and don't get confused with this price here. It seems to be like Nifty, but it is not Nifty. It is a Bajaj Finserv. It has taken the resistance at 17,635. If that level is taken out, then only can find up to 17,762. It is sideways market. It is not trending market. It is sideways. So look at the Nifty spot. So it is moving up, and the good moment. Okay, there is a good chance of reaching up to 17,947 zone. It is the Nifty spot levels 17,914, 915. That is zone. It is working good, and we can expect good levels upside. Okay, 17,921. It is once it is reaching 17,947. Okay, we need to consider the levels. So look at the SRF. Just already I mentioned the 900 zone. Already it has reached up to the today's high is at 11,940. Okay, just a good upside. Our technical levels are working good, and hourly it is a complete in uptrend. There is no problem. Monthly it is in uptrend, completely in uptrend. Good to maintain. Okay, look at the Nifty spot here. We are reaching the level of 17,947. What I say, the see the how our chart setup is working good. Exactly, it has taken the support at 17,850, and there onwards it is moving towards 17,947. And already I said there is a good resistance at 17,947. Nifty bank spot here, just Nifty bank. I'm taking the Nifty bank. See here the good, it is also showing upside. Already I mentioned hourly it has taken the support at 37,700 zone, 750 zone. Already we analyzed it in the live stream. Here I'm talking about the levels live. It is look at the levels here hourly. Just it took the support at 37,750. Look at our pink line, the how the support is giving. Then it is moving towards 38,105. That is the level to be reached. Look at the Nifty bank spot. It is a big Nifty bank spot. If the 38,106 is taken out, then we can expect up to 38,377. Good upside, but be careful. Till hourly upside, completely hourly, it has total 37,920 is a good resistance for the bank nifty part. Already that level has been taken out and it is moving upwards. It may reach up to 38,105. Hourly, we face the resistance at that level. Okay, now also we need to consider rethink about resistance zone. Look at the Nifty, just a good moment in the last 1 hour. It may be continued, and still we are at 17,939. Daily chart, in the daily chart, the resistance is at 17,947. If that resistance has been taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching up to 18,080 level. And the intraday levels are up to 80,080 level. Look at the SRF now. Look at the SRF just it has reached up to 11,940. Still the upside is intact. Hourly also upside is a good upside, but only thing is taking the positions at this moment. Be careful. Look at the TCS levels. TCS, when I go for TCS, just it has reached up to 3963. Only the 20 points from the resistance level. Because still there is a good chance by the end of today's market, today's session, there is a good chance of reaching up to 3981. Still there is a good chance, and tomorrow also the market may open higher. For the existing long calls, the stop loss will be at 38.60. There are less number of chances to come down to that level. There is a good chance of reaching 39.81, or if that level has been taken, third time it is hitting. Once that level is taken out, intraday third time it is hitting that level, third time it may cross that level. I can say simply it is up. So look at NSE Nifty Smart here. It took the support at 17,850 and reached up to the level of 17,941, and the previous high was at 17,947. And look at the Bandhan Bank. I have given the view on Bandhan Bank. See the Bandhan Bank here. In the Bandhan Bank, already I mentioned it. There is a good resistance at 343 zone. Almost it has reached up to 342 zone. Okay, 343 to 354. That is momentum zone. If it is sustained above 343, then only you can find the moment up to 354. Let us verify our SRF call. See, it is trading at 11,917. Our target is up to 11,960. Already it has reached up to 11,940, and there is a good chance of reaching up to 11,960. And still hourly momentum is good, and if the 11,940 has been taken out, then there is a chance. Look at Banknifty Smart. See here, if you observe this here, the level what I specified, 38,102, the 105, I said simply the high is made at 38,102. Okay, that is a zone I specified. There will be good resistance at that zone. Already it has reached that zone. Be careful at this level. Until this level is taken out, we cannot find further upside. Second time it has faced the resistance at this level. hourly also you can find it here. Still it is showing some upside. um, if it is crossing the 37,942, then only you can find some down movement up to 37,869 or 880 zone or 850 zone. But still it has opened above the good support at the 37,940. Okay, 5 minute frame, it is a 5 minute frame. If you look at the 5 minute frame, it is reaching a good support zone of 37,940. It is a scalping only. Those who are doing the scalping for the small trades, they can consider the 5 minute time frame. Of course, the 5 minute frame is the base for intraday. 5 minute you can choose, or 15 minute you can choose, or 1 hour. That totally depends upon the trader. But I never recommend you to go for scalping. The scalping always a dangerous thing to do. Okay, more money in your hand, then you can go for the scalping. But less money in your hand, less capital in your hand, wait for the good level to enter. The level entry level is so important in market. If you enter at good level, if any problem in the market, then there is a good chance of exiting with less uh, loss. Always entry point is so important in my point of view. Okay. The Nifty is trading above the 17,900 zone. Already I mentioned simply 17,900 to 17,947. That is a crucial resistance zone. If it is sustaining above the 17,900, there is a good chance of reaching up to 17,947 zone. Already it reached up to 941. There is a good chance of going up. If that level is taken out, there is a good chance of reaching up to 18,000. And in the Nifty Bank also hourly chart, simply our target has been reached, and the resistance is the second time it has faced the resistance at 38,102 or 100 level, and it has taken the support at 37,940 zone. Okay, still you can maintain your long positions if at all you want to enter long at this moment. Your stop loss will be at 37,800 zone. Look at the TCS, it is showing good upside. Reliance is going down. That may be the reason why the Nifty is not showing a good upside, but still Reliance is in positive zone. There is a good chance to resume the positive trend in Reliance. But today's resistance at resistance 2619 or 2620, simply it has faced the resistance. And look at the TCS, our target, first target, 3981, it is reaching that level. Look at that level, 3981, that is the level I specified in the last trading session. Also I mentioned maintain your long positions, and it took the support at nearly 3814, and it is reaching the level up to 3981, that is resistance zone. Third time it is facing the resistance at 3981. If that level has been taken out, there is a good chance of reaching up to 4200. Within 5 days, look at the chart setup in our TCS call. Within the 5 days, it has reached from 3700 to 3970. Okay, see, just the nearly 300 rupees, 270 rupees we are finding. Okay, see, the good call to go, and still there is a good upside in TCS, and results may check this price level up to 4200 if the results are good. And option buyers can take the at the money calls at this level actually, and of course we missed that level. Option buyers are not recommended to take the calls at this moment. Once it crosses the resistance zone strongly and trading above resistance zone, there is a good chance of finding out the money calls to be increasing. The price of out the money calls will be increasing. Okay, once that important resistance zone has been taken out. In the monthly also you are finding good resistance at that zone only, and once that zone has been taken out, the confidence of the trader will be more. And look at SRF, just our morning pick. Just in the morning, I specified the SRF also, Bajaj Finance also, and look at the calls of the SRF. Still it is trading around 11,894. Still hourly, it didn't cross the hourly high, today's hourly high of 11,940. If that level is taken out, then only you can find up to 11,960 and more also. That is the momentum only. Okay, still upside you can maintain. In the last trading session, in the last half an hour, I discussed about Bharat Forge. I'm trying to take that script now, the Bharat Forge. Okay, in the last trading session, if you look into my last trading session live stream, last half an hour, I dealt with Bharat Forge. Check the levels, how our chart setup is working good. My screen is struck now, just wait. There's a little bit of problem in my screen. Okay. Sorry. The Nifty has faced the resistance at 17,940 zone. Still we have to wait that level to cross to take the long calls. But intraday the short positions are limited scope. after reaching resistance zone, we have to wait how the market is going to turn. Look at Bharat Forge, just already we reached the resistance zone 758 in the last trading session. If you observe the last trading session live stream, last half an hour live stream, in that I discussed about Bharat Forge. There we observed the levels up to 750 to 758 zone. Already it has reached that level. Look at the monthly, it is 753, and once it is trading above 753, then there is a good chance of reaching up to 785. But it has faced the resistance at 758. It has reached up to the 758, and monthly, if it is trading above 753, then we can expect up to 785, but not immediately. Look at the daily chart of the Bharat Forge. Okay, whatever the resistance zone we specified in the last session, that we have reached here 755, then it has gone up to 758. Above 750 there is a simple movement. Okay, just we have to wait. It is in the downtrend, but uptrend it is ready to resume the uptrend. If the uptrend is resumed, then there is a good chance of reaching up to 780 790 zone. But at this moment, taking the long calls are not at all suitable for the positional trade. For intraday trade, there is a good chance of reaching up to 758 again. There it may take turn, or else up to 758 again we can expect in the intraday trade. Better. And SRF, already I mentioned it, 11,960 is our target, intraday target. Already it has reached the level 11,979. See, look at the SRF. It's how effective our trading setup is. Okay, see, just the we are going good, and it has reached the level of 11,979. And I have given the view on SRF 2 days back, 3 days back. Already I have given the call on SRF. Now it is working good. Okay, the today's high is at 11,960. Our intraday target has been reached, and if you're intraday long, you can think about your long positions at this level. By the end of this hour, better you can come out of intraday positions. If you want to maintain it further, maintain the stop loss at 11,840. Okay, look at the NSE, the Nifty spot. Okay, so it is trading above 17,920 at 17,900 zone. It's good going, but is struck in the range 17,900 to 940. That range need to be taken out. Okay, look at the SRF, our power rate of the day. Here just you can find the level. The high has been made 11,999. We reached our target, intraday target, and positionally also 12,000 to 12,500. That is a good zone to reach. And of course, the intraday already I have mentioned that. Okay, once we reach 11,960, that is the target, intraday target, we reach the target. Look at Bajaj Finance. We considered the script Bajaj Finance in the morning. It has reached up to 78.29 zone. And then hourly resistance it has faced it. Already I mentioned it. It is a sideways market, and it took the support at 7760. 7759. See how effectively our chart pattern is working. We are the KPR view. We are giving the technical analysis based on independent research. We worked on this pattern for so many years, back tested pattern. It's working good, you can observe it. And yesterday we succeeded in all calls of whatever given, and today also we got success in SRF. Just in SRF we reached the level up to 11,960 intraday level, and we reached the target of Nifty 17,947. Still it is going, and we can deal with SRF. Still it's good going. Hourly, just be careful at this level, 11,990 level now. Almost it is 990, reached the 990, and hourly high, if it is taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching higher levels also. For positional traders, no problem. For intraday traders, be careful at this level. I hope just we can exit our long positions, intraday long positions at this level. Look at the Bharat Forge. Just already I mentioned, simply 17,000 above 70. Above 753. There is a good momentum in monthly chart. Once it is above 753, there is a good chance of reaching 786. Already I mentioned yesterday itself, I have taken the call on Bharat Forge that today it is working good, and you can follow our streaming every day. You see the Bharat Forge, it is going good, and Nifty also going good. It is stuck in the range 17,900 to 940 zone, good going. And SRF, it has touched the level of 12,000, about 12,000 also. And still yesterday we have given the Bata call, it's going good. All our calls are going good. Look at the TCS, I'm taking the call TCS now. The TCS call, look at the TCS call. See here our target 39.81 has been reached now. Now 39.81. See how good our pattern is. The intraday, the target simply 39.81 monthly, and it is facing the resistance at 39.81. If that resistance level is taken out, then we can find good going. It is going to be up now, and maybe chance of reaching 4200 in coming days once it crosses the level and trading above that level. But at this moment, how effective our pattern is here, exactly at 39.81 it has stopped moving. There is a good chance of taking that level out today itself. There is a good chance, just look at this here, there is a good chance of taking that level to be out. And but only thing is, be careful. But we are not going to expect much more movement today, but be careful at this level. And SRF, whatever the levels I have specified, look at the SRF. But fresh calls are not at all. It is a question mark. Fresh calls, question mark. SRF, look at the SRF, just our target has been reached, and it is trading at 12,000 and 1181 over, and I'm not expecting much more intraday movement at this moment. Better you can exert your long positions for intraday, and if it is a positional, you can maintain your long positions. But again, intraday, if you want to enter, wait up to some level to be taken. Okay, SRF no more, SRF over today's the concept is over, and it has reached our target, above our target, and 11,960 was the target given by me for intraday purpose. That has been reached, and it has reached up to 12,018, and good going. We got success in case of SRF calls. And see, look at the TCS. Already I mentioned that there is a good chance of crossing the level 3981. That level has been taken out today, and simply it is trading at 3984. So look at the TCS performance. Just to see our chart pattern, how effectively it is working, and simply the daily basis. Just our chart pattern recommendation is exactly at 3700 level, 3710. Now it is trading above 3981, and within the 5 days duration it has reached the target of 3981, and it is moving up, and there is a good chance of going up. Okay, Bharat Forge, just let us consider the Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge. It's good going. Our level, the important level, 753, above 753. I gave the target of 785 to 786. There is a good chance of reaching in coming days, and today it is showing good moment. Okay, reaching a level of 775, 774 is good target for intraday. Okay, there may be a good chance of 770, 774. That is the zone where you can find some resistance for Bharat Forge. Okay, in the Nifty, the index much more moment is not there, but individual stocks are showing good performance. And look at the Bharat Forge. Just I have taken the Bharat Forge. I picked that stock in the last trading session in the last half an hour, and today it is performing good, and there is a good chance of reaching up to 770 or 774. That is the intraday target as per my chart setup. Okay. The Nifty's part, it is struck in the range 17,900 to 940. It is struck in that range. Today is Friday, weekend, and once the Reliance stock start moving, then there is a good chance of moment in the Nifty. At this moment, individual stocks they are giving good performance, and Bharat Forge it has reached the level of 767. Look at the Reliance. Just look at the Reliance. It is showing some movement, upside momentum, and already we have seen it has faced the resistance at 2619, and simply we are expecting that level to be taken out. If that level to be the level is taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching up to 2640. And today itself, if it is that level is taken out, be careful at that level, 2620 level. If that level is taken out, then only you can find good moment upside, and Nifty also going to move upside. Intraday traders has to come out at resistance level. Once the resistance level has been taken out, then only you have to consider re-entry. And in the TCS, when you look at the TCS, I said 3981 is the good resistance zone. It has taken out that resistance zone, and it is trading above 3981. Still it is above 3981 zone. It has taken out, and it is above that level. It's good going. You can expect positionally long. Okay, intraday the longs, be careful at this level. If it is going good, if the market is good, at the end of today's session, there is a good chance of finding the 4000 levels, and be careful at this level. Fresh entries, be careful. And already you are in long, just you can maintain your long positions, no problem for the existing longs. Okay, Nifty is struck in the range 17,922, 900 to 940. Okay, no shorts at all. Don't go for the short at this moment. The Nifty smart, if you consider Nifty smart, it is struck in the range 17,920, 900 to 940 zone. Okay, still important resistance zone. If this level is taken out, then it's going to be up. Okay, look at the hourly chart of the Nifty spot here. In the Nifty spot, just the hourly. Okay, yeah, still it is in the consolidation, not for the shorting. Okay, in between 900 to 932, already I mentioned it is struck in the range 900 to 940. Hourly also it is reflecting the same, but only thing is if that level is taken out, the 17,941 zone, then we can expect more. Look at Bath Forge now. It's also pick up the day, and so just 767, 66. That is the zone. It is waiting for move. Of course, from the last 4 hours, it is showing up moment only. There's a good chance of reaching the level up to 774. Look at the Nifty spot. Okay, still it is in the range 17,850 to 19,941. Today the Nifty is struck in the range. The individual stocks they are performing good. Our calls got success. We got success in each and every call given. I mentioned TCS. Okay, look at the TCS, how important resistance zones are. So exactly TCS 3981, it has shown little bit of up movement but still back. See, a third time it has faced the resistance at 3981, but it has a little bit up movement up to 3989, and it is showing the intention of breaking that level and maybe chance, but maybe up moment ratio mode, but hourly it is giving some profit booking, hourly profit booking, not daily profit booking. It is hourly profit booking, and almost it is over once it reaches 3951. It's good going, and fresh longs, if you want to go for fresh long, simply 3950 is the zone where you can take the fresh long positions for scalping, the scalping purpose. And there is a good chance of struck in the range 3950 or 3931 to 3981, but better you have to wait for some break. Look at Bajaj Your Bajaj Finance in the morning. When I start the streaming, just I said Bajaj Finance is also good one to pick today. And still intraday target is not reached here. It took the support at 77.20 level. Already I mentioned it, and there onwards it is showing upside only. There is a good chance of finding the level 78, 57, 60 if momentum is good, and you can maintain your long positions in Bajaj Finance. Hourly also it took the support at the level 7780, and it's going up. It is all indicators, all our lines in the chart pattern, they are in positive direction, and there is a good chance of reaching hourly at 78 29 30. If that level is taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching up to 7880. And only thing is we have to be careful at 7830 level. Yes, still it is in the positive zone. Nifty is in positive zone. The budget finance hourly, it is in positive zone. There is a good chance of reaching 78.30, and then if that level is taken out, 78.60, 62, 78.80, it may be the good chance and the market movement. And we got success in calls now. Look at the Bandhan Bank. That is also one script I have taken up in the morning. Already I given the good levels for the Bandhan Bank also. If you look at the Bandhan Bank, it is trading around 344. It is 344 zone. There is a good chance of reaching up to 354 zone. You can maintain the calls up to 354 zone. It's good going. Okay, my screen is struck. Okay, Bharat Forge, we reached the level up to 770. I have given the target of 770 to 774. That is the intraday target I have given. I fixed the target. The 15 minutes back, I talk about Bharat Forge, the target, intraday target 772, 774. Already we are reaching 770. Good. From the last 2.5 hours, we are in live stream. I hope just you enjoyed the live stream. Again, I'm going to join the live stream after 1:30. The 1:30 to 3:30. Again, we are going to take up the live stream. We are going to talk about what about the next session. In the last half an hour of the live stream, I used to talk about that. Okay, my screen is struck here. Just anyway, just happy trading. Just I'll be back within the short duration.